In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a buyer persona using HubSpot. A well-defined buyer persona can truly transform your marketing efforts, making them more targeted and effective. So let's dive right into the steps to create one. Leveraging HubSpot's intuitive interface to make the process as seamless as possible for your business. To get started, you'll first want to direct your attention to the upper menu in HubSpot. Click on the Settings button found there. This is the doorway to customizing various aspects of your HubSpot account, including setting up your buyer persona. After you click this, your next move is to scroll down the left-hand menu. You're looking for the Properties option, so keep an eye out for that as you scroll. Click on Properties, and this will bring you to where all the magic happens. Now, once you're in the Properties section, you will want to do a quick search for persona using the search bar. Go ahead and type in persona, and when it appears, click on it. This will take you to the options for managing your personas. Next, on the left side of the screen, you'll see the option labeled Field Type. Click on Field Type to further refine and customize how you plan to manage these personas. Once you've selected your field type, look for the button that allows you to add another persona. This is your opportunity to create a new buyer persona, specifically tailored for your marketing needs. After clicking, you'll be prompted to fill in various details, such as demographics and behavior patterns that define this ideal customer. After you've carefully entered all pertinent details, it's crucial to save your progress. Click Save, ensuring that all your hard work is stored and ready for future use. There'll be another Save button on the upper right of the screen for additional assurance, so give that a click as well. With your new persona safely saved, it's time to go back to the Contacts page. The Contacts page is where you'll manage your existing contacts and start aligning your personas with real people. Back on the Contacts page, select a contact from your list. This is where you can assign your newly created persona to a real-world contact. By clicking on a contact, a sidebar or options menu will appear. From here, click Actions, which will trigger a drop-down menu. In this menu, you need to locate and click on Customize Properties. This is the key step for integrating your persona directly with individual contacts. Now, select the option to add properties. In the resultant search bar, type in persona and select it when it pops up. Remember to save your changes after making these adjustments. Finally, with everything set up, you can now assign the persona you've created to any contact. This seamless integration will empower your marketing strategy, allowing you to better target and serve your customers with precision and care. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find it as rewarding as I do when seeing the results of a well-tailored marketing approach.